Okay, this is how you try to get to pet the cat. Sylvester! Because he doesn't like to come out. I got Sasha all over me here. Hi. And I got Toby here. Sylvester! Come here, bud. Sylvester, come here. Sylvester! Hang on, let me get the kitty. Come here, bud. Sylvester, stick your head out. I know you're there, Sasha. Sasha. Sylvester, come here. Sorry, Sash. Hi. Come on, stick your head out. Come on, Sylvester. I got Toby behind me. Sylvester. Come on, bud. Oh, my boy. Where's my boy? Come on, Sylvester. Goats. Oh. Sylvester. Come here, buddy. Come on, Sylvester. Sylvester, I got Toby all over me. Come here. Toby, ow, that's my hair. Ow. Hi, Sylvester. Toby. Toby. Toby, what do you want? I'm trying to get the cat. Sylvester. Oh, buddy. Hi. Toby. Hi, Sylvester. Toby's like you. He's ow. Toby. Okay, this isn't working. Oh, now I've got Willow. Hi, Willow. Those are my gloves. Those are my gloves. That didn't work. I wanted to see the cat. I wanted to see the cat. Hi, buddy. Hi, Willow. Hi, Sylvester. As you can see, I'm crowded in here with the goat, the horse, and the dog. And I'm being pushed right into the corner. What are you doing? Where are you, Sylvester? After all that. Hi, buddy. Hi, Sylvester. I can't get in. Yeah, I can't get in. There he is. Hi, who's that? Give me a lick. Hi. Sylvester doesn't like to come out. He's chicken. Oh, he's not chicken. Okay, now I gotta carefully back around the horse. Toby likes the cat. Sylvester. Sylvester. Come on. Come on, buddy. Sylvester. Toby. Toby. Okay, enough is enough. Oh, and there's that turkey.